with what is subtle bypasses intensity entirely. The call does not introduce itself, it aligns.
Activation. The nature of the call. Take a slow breath. Not to relax, just to arrive. Notice the part of you that doesn't rush to interpret what is happening. The part that can remain with a sensation without naming it. Now, silently acknowledge this. I do not seek the signal. I allow alignment to occur. Feel how effort softens when you stop trying to understand. Let attention rest where clarity is already present, even if it feels incomplete. There is nothing to visualize, nothing to force. Just recognize this internal orientation, the ability to stay steady without explanation. Let that be enough. The activation is not an event. It is a posture you are already holding. Stay there for a few seconds, then continue.
Chapter 2. Recognition before language. There is a moment before understanding, not confusion, openness. In that moment, attention is not reaching outward. It is settling inward without collapsing into thought. This is where recognition occurs, not as agreement, not as belief, but as a subtle reorientation presence. The Arcturian field does not enter through concepts. It meets you in the space where language has not yet interfered. You may notice a quiet suspension, as if something inside you pauses its commentary. That pause is not empty. It is precise. It is the state in which perception adjusts itself, without needing to announce what has changed. If you try to name it now, it will dissolve. If you let it remain unnamed, it stabilizes. This is why recognition always precedes meaning. Meaning moves. Recognition holds. Stay with what does not ask to be understood. That is where alignment completes itself.
Activation. Recognition before language.